Hey, what's up friends, this is Henry. Wow, it's good to be back. If you watched our previous video, you probably noticed that I presented iPhone 8 several times. I've also had a fancy commercial of those new crazy features about iPhone 8, but those were actually bullshit. And it turned out to be that those new features will actually belong to iPhone 10. But today, I'm not going to talk about bullshit. I'm going to do an unboxing about the real 100% authentic iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus that I've just got an hour ago. Ready? Check it out. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. And here's the plan. I'm going to do a thorough camera comparison between them and latest model of Samsung. Again, so stay tuned for the battle and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.